A Silly Bandz 2009 production. My recent fair clownishing meetings. First is my Brian and Stewie plush things. I won them at the Bloomsburg Fair. They are most likely rigged, but I managed to get them out of the machine. And Stewie was like the easiest to get. Now for the one model toy I have, it is a shark. It's one of them times that you can win a bunch of stuff and you don't know when to stop. I want a crab too, but my brother has it. Now for the Walmart part of this, I got a zebra stuffed green. I have this one along with this gorilla, and this rhino. They're all stuffed green. Rhino, gorilla, and zebra. Now, for the penultimate part of this, I've won a giant Garfield costing only $2. He is huge, as you can see. I can barely hold him in my hands. Now, I won this near the hamster wheels, and it only cost me $2. On my first try, I picked it up just nicely. It was a very good win. It was actually one of the best wins I've ever had. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.